So today is the official reset routine plan with me. I'm using Notion for this exercise. I have used Alex's template. I'll give credit to her because I've watched a lot of her videos. Her reset routine videos inspired me to do one for myself as well. So you'll be seeing my business goals. I run a beauty business, my YouTube channel goals, the one that you're seeing right now, other social media channels, and a little bit about my health and fitness as well. So let's get into it. I've divided it into three parts. I have a business with the name of Askin Beauty. It's a skincare company. I've started doing business for the past 1 year. So these are my business related goals. This is Living with Asra, which is the name of this YouTube channel. I run my Instagram and TikTok. So I'll be managing all my social media here. And then there is one health and fitness goal, which I really want to check in. And I was thinking, just while I was talking to you, to add skills. Let's go to my business section, which is goals. Now, this is going to be a reset for the last quarter of 2023, although it's 19th of October as I'm recording this video and the day that I'll be uploading it. So more than half of October has been passed, but I still have goals to achieve, and we shall smash them. Let's see what happens. Number one is the website. So initially I was with Big Cartel, and now I've decided to move ahead because I want to write my blogs and want to make my website more interesting to customers. So I've recently moved to Wix. Wix has been offering 50% off on all of its paid plans, so I decided to try it out. Build website with Wix. Now this would include importing data, pictures, videos, offer product bundles, offer product samples, and we shall see how we're going to do that. And I also want to build a nice blog for my website, and that's the reason why I shifted from Big Cartel, because it does not have a native blogging facility. Upload to blogs on website. So this is going to be for all these months. Total 6 blogs on my website by the end of the year. I also have to work on another product and develop one thing, which I'm not going to disclose right now, but I can say formulate a recipe for new product, and I know what I'm talking about right here, so I know that. Or 11 days left for October. I think this is enough. Since I'll be moving to Wix, I will have a better automation, email marketing automation for my customers. So my goal is to automate emails with discount codes on their birthday. My November goals would be upload 2 blogs. Okay. Finalize and test new product. So those of you who know, the laws for skincare and beauty products in the UK are very strict. So you have to make a product, formulate it, go through rigorous testing, send it for testing to the labs, and then get it done. So that's a lengthy process. I don't think I can test it in a month, so I will be not test, but finalize new product and send to friends and my loyal customers to see their reaction. Attend 2 Christmas markets. So one is in line, so at least I have to attend one more and sign up for one more. I'm going to attend one in November, so I know about that. Last year I didn't do much with Black Friday, but this year I'm trying to come up with a strategy. I need to think about it, but I think, yeah, I devise a Black Friday strategy, costs, revenue, and execution plan. December is going to be, I think, of markets. So let's say going to be like attend 3. Is that a lot? 3 markets? We shall see. 3 market events. End of December, we are planning to go to my home country, which is Pakistan. So I'm really excited about that. So I have to plan a lot of things over there, but that is not going to come in my business things. I want to put goals as, achieve these number of orders a month or achieve these number of followers in a month. But I really want to have my goals as input goals, as in I would want to do this for my website, or plan this content, or these many reels for my for my social media, or introduce a particular sales strategy. Things that I have control over. I don't have control over the number of orders or followers, but I do have control over what I can do. So I will do that, and that is going to replicate in terms of output goals, which is sales, followers, likes, subscribers, paid promotions, collaborations, and customers. December doesn't look that amazing. It's just 2 blogs and 3 Christmas market events. Upcoming events. So yeah, I know there's one Billington's event that I have signed up for. So I'm going to go there, and then I'll be adding all the events over here. Now this is my YouTube channel. I'm going to talk about that. I'll be like upload 1 long form video every week, which I'm doing it. Sometimes I miss one upload if I am, but I would not upload 1 long form video every week. Yeah, I'm really bad at shorts, so my goal would be upload 4 shorts a month. That's 4 shorts every month. Yeah, I think that is going to be good. What else? YouTube. Yeah, I'll just go with the flow. Instagram, I will say post stories often in English and my native language. So my native language is Urdu, but my YouTube, I talk in English on my YouTube videos and my Instagram reels. But I feel that it's important to talk in your native language to connect more with people. Mix it up a bit. So if I'm talking in Urdu, I will be putting a translation for people who don't understand Urdu. But I'll just see if followers like that or not. So post stories often in English and my native language. Yeah, I've been like behind posting reels. So now I've thought of it that if I'm going to post a YouTube video, I'll try to make a short form video of it, turn it into a reel and post it on Instagram, turn it into a short, post it as Instagram short. So at least I have content. Let's see if I can do that. Post 2 reels every week. Let's see. So it becomes 8 reels every month. Okay, so this is a content calendar that Alex has. So I really like it. I'll be filling in all the content that I've planned, when I plan to post it, when I plan to schedule it over here in the calendar. So when we're going to review our goals, we'll see if I did it or not. Skills and hobbies. And those of you who don't know, I live in the UK. I don't know how to drive. Well, I know how to drive, but I used to drive back in Pakistan, but now I need to properly apply for a license over here. Yeah. So practice mock theory driving tests. How many should I do? Let's say 6 every month, and then appear for it. So yeah, I need to get a license. First I need to clear theory and then practical. Let's come to health and fitness, which I've been avoiding for the past few days, but now in the last week I have made an intentional effort to wake up early, to go out in the sunlight, even though it's not sunny in the UK anymore. It's fall and it's going to be winter soon, but I still try to push myself. Let's see what goals I have for health and fitness. All right, so I'm trying to get up at 7:30 a.m. every on weekdays, but I've just made it 8 a.m. because it's going to be quite dark, and I don't like getting up in the dark. I like it when it's a bit. I like getting up after sunrise. So my goal is to get up at 8 a.m. during weekdays. Weekends, no. No goals, no rules for weekends. I'm going to sleep in if I want to. I will get up early if I want to, but that's totally my own thing. Let's see if I do it. Now, walk, jog, run, or do yoga 5 times a week. So when I get up during weekdays, I find myself scrolling on the phone, which I don't want to do anymore because it totally kills the purpose of getting up early. So my point is to get up early, do something that I like so that I am not on the phone and I'm starting it on a very nice productive front. So it can be running if I feel like running, simple brisk walking, or yoga when I don't want to feel when I don't feel like going out because it's going to be very cold. Then make homemade meals 6 days a week. So I am not a takeaway person, but we usually get takeaways once every week. Sometimes what happens is if I am editing a YouTube video and I get late, or I've gone to an event and I'm late, so we end up ordering food. But I'm going to make homemade meals, although I do, but it's going to be like a strict thing. Make homemade meals 6 days a week. One day is going to be takeaway day, and I'm going to also meal plan, at least make a list of all the meals that I'm going to make during the week. Now, eat fruits on alternate days. I am not really good with eating fruits, and I have to make an intentional effort to eat them. Back when I was living with my parents, my mother used to cut them for me and I used to eat them. But now when I have to do it for my own self, I don't do it. So yeah, let's see if I see how many days I eat fruit. So I'm going to bring in good fruits, cut it in a nice bowl, serve it after dinner or whatever, and eat them. Try to eat them. So I will be posting about these goals, whether I accomplish them or not, when this year ends. Most probably when I do that, I'll be in Pakistan because I will be traveling the whole of January. Things will be there on autopilot, but I will not actively be working. So let me know if you like this reset routine and if this motivated you to do your own routine. And thank you, Alexis, for motivating me to make this reset routine. And wait, don't forget to watch this video next to plan a healthy, productive routine for yourself. Bye.